here is, this is paintbrush yarn, that's cotton, and I'm going to start to make a rose. So I'm going to chain 47, (41), 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. So that is in increments of 3 plus 5. So I'm going to go back the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to do a double crochet. Chain 1, double crochet. Oh, I have a sneeze coming. Hold on. Sorry about that. So, chain 2, skip 2, and a double crochet. Chain 1, double crochet in the same double crochet spot. Chain 2, skip 2, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And I'm going to repeat that pattern until I get to the end. So I'll be right back. All right, I'm getting close to the end, so on the rows, it's only like the chain row, and then this row, and then one other row, and then you roll them up. So, and then sew them. So, excuse me. So since I'm coming to the end, I'm going to do the chain 2 and then just 1 double crochet. And it makes its own little cute pattern. It starts to curl because that's going to help with the rolling. So chain 3 and single crochet right into that one on the top of the double. So now you're going to do 6 doubles in here. I should have said chain 3, turn 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm using a G size hook, 4mm, and a single crochet in the chain 1 space where in between the doubles. So in this double space right here where it's the chain 2 is where the 6 doubles are going to go. So continue to the end and I'll be right back. All right, so I went and got my darning needles, or my needles. 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. All right, so I'm just going to go down here and single crochet, slip stitch, pull tight, and cut a long tail for sewing it together. So hold on and let me get my needle threader. All right, so I moved my ball of yarn out of the way. I'm going to grab this long end and I'm going to thread my needle. This is the end that I'm going to start to roll because it'll be easier to sew as I go. If I want the yarn to come down, not stay up there, because I want to sew on the bottom, not the top. So I'm going to start sewing. This time I'm going to go around twice, and then I'm just going to go in between and sew again, and try not to tie up the whole thing. So this time I'm going to put like 2 stitches in here. It helps to keep it together. So now I'm going to roll again. And I'm going to sew. And it's trying to tie up. See how it's forming? I will go through and put a green stem, not a long stem, but the rosebud stem where it starts to grow on here before I attach this to the project. Try to get this all in one to finish this off. And I'm about ready to lose my needle. So let me tie it in a knot. I keep getting out of camera so I can see what I'm doing. So I'm doing the knot. And I'm actually going to want to take this part and sew it down. Try hiding it some. So there is a yellow rose, and a yellow rose stands for friendship. Thank you.